Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I show you how to create an account on Bluesky app. It's easy, you just need to download the app and then go into the app, and here you will see the screen. You will click on create account, and then here Bluesky will ask you about your information like your email, like your password, like birthday and stuff. You're gonna click your email here. And then here you will choose a password for your account. After that here you will choose your birthday here. Like for example we will choose like randomly, and after that you will click on next. After you click on next, Bluesky will ask you about the username that you want. You will enter a username here, for example Mopi Steps, and then you will click on next. Here you're gonna make sure that you are human. Now in this step you will choose an image for you and click on done. After you upload your image you will click on continue, and here you will select your interested and click on continue. Okay, you are ready now and you have created your account. Okay, this is your account in Bluesky. Congrats.